Welcome to the world of free AI tools. In this quick 7-minute video, we'll embark on an exciting journey that will equip you with the knowledge and skills to harness the immense potential of AI. Together, we'll explore the seamless process of installing and navigating an incredible range of AI tools designed to simplify your life, boost productivity, and unleash your creativity. From image generation to voice cloning, these tools are poised to revolutionize the way you interact with technology. So, let's dive in and discover the power of AI right at your fingertips. Part 1. Introducing Pinocchio AI Browser. Pinocchio AI presents a revolutionary browser that empowers you to effortlessly install, run, and programmatically control various applications, streamlining your access to cutting-edge AI technology. Within this single, user-friendly browser interface, you'll gain access to an array of powerful and versatile free AI tools, each designed to enhance your digital experience and productivity. Before delving into the myriad capabilities of these tools, let's kickstart our journey by installing the Pinocchio browser. Begin by visiting the official Pinocchio website, where you can find the download link provided in the video's description. Select the installer that corresponds to your operating system, whether it's the Pinocchio browser for Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once you've selected the appropriate installer, proceed to download and run it to initiate the seamless installation process. Part 2. Free AI Face Swap Tool. With the Pinocchio browser successfully installed, it's time to delve into the fascinating world of AI-powered face swapping with the innovative Face Fusion app. Upon launching the Pinocchio browser, navigate to the App Selection interface and seamlessly access the Face Fusion application. Next, embark on the journey of enhancing your digital creativity by downloading and installing the robust Face Fusion AI, along with its necessary requirements. Once installation is complete, take the exciting leap into the realm of face swapping as you launch the Face Fusion AI app. Uncover an array of dynamic features at your fingertips, including frame processors, advanced face swapper models, and versatile execution providers. Engage in the captivating process of face swapping by selecting source and target images, fine-tuning settings to achieve the desired effect, and initiating the seamless swapping process. Witness the magic of AI come to life as you download the resulting video, capturing the remarkable transformation achieved through the power of AI-driven face swapping. Part 3. Free AI Image Generator, Stable Diffusion, XLUI. Continuing our immersive exploration, we now turn our attention to the remarkable Stable Diffusion Web UI, a powerful tool designed for seamlessly generating AI images with unparalleled creativity. Begin by installing the Stable Diffusion Web UI, setting the stage for an enriching journey into the realm of AI-driven image generation. Following this installation, embark on the next step by installing the Stable Diffusion XL, an expanded version that unlocks even more potential for crafting captivating AI-generated visuals. With the XL Web UI launched, immerse yourself in the process of harnessing the text-to-image generator, where you can input prompts and finely adjust generation settings to tailor the output to your creative vision. Witness the magic unfold as you generate your very own AI image and navigate to the file location to behold the awe-inspiring AI-crafted masterpiece, a testament to the boundless possibilities offered by cutting-edge AI technology. Part 4. Free AI Voice Cloner, AI Voice Cloning, Free. Now let's venture into the realm of AI voice cloning with the groundbreaking XTTS application. Begin by seamlessly installing the XTTS app, setting the stage for an immersive experience in voice cloning that pushes the boundaries of creative expression. As you launch the app, immerse yourself in the captivating process of voice cloning by carefully selecting an audio reference, crafting your script, and selecting the desired language to shape the nuances of the AI-generated voice. Delve into the remarkable capabilities of XTTS to generate AI voices across a spectrum of languages, from the eloquence of English to the poetic cadence of Spanish, each unveiling a tapestry of vocal artistry that will surely captivate and inspire. Prepare to be mesmerized as you marvel at the results, witnessing the convergence of cutting-edge technology and creative exploration in the realm of AI voice cloning.
Thank you for embarking on this exhilarating journey through the AI Toolbox with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to spread the knowledge and inspire others. Until we meet again, goodbye.